any s'mores, I landed in Comoros. Ain't having no s'mores, I landed here in Comoros, an island here in Africa. That's right, boys and girls, an island in Africa. Comoros, C-O-M-O-R-O-S, the goat is here. On the side of the overcast, 14 August 2024. Do not be a bore. Having a good time here. Just landed, had a nice meal on Ethiopian air. Look at that big ass plane. Ethiopian air. There is the ocean, boys and girls. A little panorama for my girls from Bananarama. There's your tower. Tower with power. Ocean with motion. Got my backpack on jack. Got to stay to the left here. Good time. There's a volcano on this island. I can feel my blood. No chance I'm hiking that. I'm old now. I'm 52. I ain't hiking that. Not gonna burp. Not gonna burp. Having a good time here. Good to be here in Comoros. Capital is Moroni. M-O-R-O-N-I. Got a little dude here. Little dude all dressed up. Me? I want the casual islander. I'm still pretty. Like a girl. Boys and girls, getting ready to go inside. Hopefully get myself a visa on arrival here in Comoros. So we're gonna see you in the next video. Perhaps showing you a little this island. I can't promise that. We'll see. For now, I might just say we're approaching the end of this here video. Okay, better view of the ocean. Overcast here. Comoros. Now we really are coming to the end. I will see you boys and girls in the next video. It's the GOAT, the greatest of all time sportsman traveler.